What's going on, you guys? Just thought I'd shoot this quick short little video to test out my new microphone. Yeah, there was kind of no point really to this video. I just really wanted to try out this new microphone. Yeah, if it sounds good, if it sounds all right, I'm gonna try to start making content. Your boy traded in his old ZX6R and got his first liter bike, and yeah, now I'm very happy to say I'm riding on a brand new S1000rr, and man, this thing is an absolute dream. It's crazy how beautiful and smooth, and even how much more comfortable this bike is compared to the 636. I'm a huge Cowie fanboy. I've had nothing but Ninjas my entire life, and yeah, this is on a whole other level. It's crazy. It was either between this or ZX10, and I was like, you know what, let me go sit on one, go sit on the both of them, try them out, and it's insane how much more comfortable this bike is. It's a dream, and it rides so smooth, it's so buttery, it's crazy. But yeah, that's my new baby, and I can't wait to make more videos and yeah, share this adventure with you guys. Thank you for joining me.